A committee consists of 4 men and 2 women. So 4 men, 2 women. They queue up randomly in a line for refreshments. Find the different number of ways that the women are not next to each other in the queue. These 6 people are standing in a queue. The condition is women should not be next to each other. So what do? You leave women now. Arrange the remaining 4 men. So these 4 men can be arranged in 4p4 ways. These 2 men should not be together means they have to be between 2 men. So how many places between 2 men do I have to place these 2 women? I can place the woman here, here and here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places to place 2 women. That can be done in 5p2 ways. So this is the answer. These should not be together, put them aside. Arrange this one. Then see in between how many places do you have for this one. That will be the answer. Next sum. 3 identical cans of cola. So 3 are cola, let us write. And you need to underline this identical. Means they all are same. 2 identical cans of green tea. So 2 are G. And 2 identical cans of orange juice. So 2 are O. Are arranged in a line. Calculate the number of arrangements if 3 cans of cola are all next to each other. And 2 cans of green tea are not next to each other. What is the condition? These 3 cola should be next to each other. And these 2 green should not be next to each other. So this should not be next, put that separately. These 3 should be together. So how do I make sure that they are together? By consider them to be one unit. And along with these 2. If I assume these 3 to be one unit, then only I make sure that they are all together. And 2G should not be together, so I kept them separate, aside. Leaving these 2G, in how many ways can I arrange these? 1, 2, 3 can be arranged in 3p3 ways. 1, 2, 3. In that, these 2 O are identical. So I need to divide by 2 factorial. This is for outside the block. Now inside the block, these 3 can also shuffle within themselves in 3p3 ways, since they all are identical by 3 factorial. Leaving green, I made sure that all the 3 cola are together. Now bring that green ones and see how many places do I have in between for the green ones. Only then they are not beside each other. I can place the green one here, here and here. Green ones cannot be placed in this unit because they all should be together. Now how many places do I have for the green ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places for 2 greens can be done in 4p2 ways. And moreover, these 2 are identical. So I need to divide it by 2 factorial. This is the final answer. In the exam, I want you to calculate and write the answer.